house like a daughter of Zion.
Listen, this is not real, because why is my hair curly and why is my hair straight? Yes, it's the same wig. You guys see the lace, perfect. But what I want to know is how did this happen? Wavy, straight, UNice did that. I cannot believe this, because I added flat iron to this. But listen, keep on watching, because this is a real deal. Grab it. Welcome back to another hair review. This is insane, because UNice tell me that this wig is straight, and even after you straighten the hair, you can go ahead and wet it and it's gonna be wavy. We're gonna test it out, so let's go and keep on watching, because yeah, this is gonna be one that I'm so interested in. But let's take out the wig. We have wig cap because we're gonna need that. You have a bag, and let's get to install. Okay, now it's long, so straight, long and wavy. Yeah, girl. All right, so it's a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig, and it's 24 inches. Let's get into it. It is straight in the pack. It is straight from the pack, okay? I think I need to create a short form content as well, because what did you use to make this? It is straight and it feels good. All right, y'all, so the 13x4, you can definitely do this wig in Glueless. This is how it looks. It's straight, and of course it do have a drawstring. You guys already know how you do the drawstring. It's gonna fit any head size. No, this is it. You pull, you put it on. But we're gonna put this on first and see. I love how it fits. Seem like we can do something glueless. Okay. And you do have the tabs. It's already in the middle part. I'm gonna leave it in the middle part. Oh my god, it feels so good. What type of texture is this? Let's get into it, y'all. I took those off. I'm gonna make it completely glueless. Okay guys, we are gonna straighten the wig and then we're gonna curl it, so you guys just keep on watching while I straighten. Everything is on, it's looking perfect. Love the lace, of course, but let's go. So this is how the wig looks straight. We are gonna go and we're gonna see how it's gonna look curly. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and this is gonna happen in real time. I am just gonna separate half and make that side curly and leave this side straight. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. I'm super excited because look how beautiful this looks straight.
But I know I ain't meant just to wear that crown. When the stress in my chest get too loud, too strong, I lay it down, you've been there all along. Let it go, let it go. You got everything you can't control. All that doubt, all that pain in your soul. Trust the one who's still running the show. Let it go. Let it go. He got everything you can't control. All that doubt, all that pain in your soul. Trust the one who's still running the show. Let it go. Let it go.
How is this even possible? How is it possible for me to have a curly wavy wig and a straight wig at the same time? This isn't possible, but UNice made it possible, okay? Yes, because you can buy one wig. Today you're gonna make it straight, tomorrow you're gonna make it wavy and curly. I cannot wait for this to dry down so you guys can see, but this is insane. Okay guys, so the wig is gonna be curly. I will show you guys. I'm gonna let this self dry, so I will come around and show you guys once it is done. But it's looking beautiful already, and I really like how lightweight it is. I love the lace. Okay, very natural. It's gonna look super cute. So stick around until it's dry, then we're gonna come and finalize this. But you guys need this wig because there's no way you can do two things with one wig. If you want it straight, you can. If you want it curly, you can, which means you don't have to purchase two wigs. But anyway, once it's dry, I'll come back, so stick around. Can you guys believe this is out? Can you guys believe me that this is 8 hours later? Look at this wig. Now, UNice, you did your big one. This is even perfect to me than a curly wig. I really like it. I went to track practice, run some errands. I went to the store, and this is me right now. It's after midnight, came home, and this is how the wig is looking. It is perfect, y'all. You need this wig because it was straight first, and you guys saw that in real time. It's the same wig. Are you guys seeing? Same outfit, but I do like it. And guess what? I will definitely have a link in the description for y'all. You need to run and grab this wig, okay? UNice, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for a 2-in-1 wig. Absolutely love it. Tomorrow I might just be a straight girl, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you check the description. Grab this wig now. I know this one is gonna sell out, but you need to grab it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.
That's how I'm made.